Hi guys, I'm Adam Bowling here at Bowling RV in Ottumwa, Iowa. Today I'm going to show you the 2019 Raptor 425. We usually have this on sale for $108,465, but today we're going to drop the price to $78,995. And even for a better deal, call in and we can give you the price that is too low to advertise. Now guys, let's hop in and take a look at some of the features on this 2019 Raptor.
The Raptor 425 is an absolutely loaded toy hauler. On the exterior it has 3 slide outs, 6-point hydraulic leveling with memory, 2 30-gallon fuel tanks, 1 for your 5500 Onan generator, and 1 for the toys you bring along. 3 power awnings, frameless windows, a party deck, and a massive pass-through storage are just some of the things on this Raptor. Moving into the interior, I want to talk about the technology of this coach. The Raptor is equipped with in-command system, which allows you to control all of your systems from an application on your cell phone. 3 LED HD TVs, a surround sound system, and a fully functional space heating fireplace. Moving into the kitchen living room area, this Raptor has solid surface countertop, a massive 18 cubic foot double door refrigerator with ice maker, an oversized stainless steel sink, and lots of cabinet storage and even a pull-out pantry. The living room features an L-shaped couch and a very quaint love seat with dinette. The toy box of this Raptor is 12 foot long, featuring 2 electric beds, 1 that turns into a couch dinette, and 1 that drops down to a sleeper. It has a second bathroom and a 3-season door that allows you access to your party deck. The sleeping in this Raptor is around 9 to 10 adults comfortably, so plenty of room to bring the whole family.
Once again guys, thank you for viewing our video on this 425 Raptor, and make sure you call in to get our best price available. This is Adam Bowling at Bowling RV in Ottumwa, your source for adventure.